This is the Direct Store Delivery Handheld Instructions presentation for Panagold Baking Company. The purpose of this presentation is to give operational instructions for the use of the 2016 updated Intermec handhelds for the Panagold Baking Company sales staff. Keep in mind that the basic functions for the new handheld units are very similar to that of the old handheld units. Some of the basic improvements are with your ability to toggle and jump around functions and added controls to better customize and streamline your route activities. Use the route number to log into the system as user ID and password. This will take you to the main menu. Tap on menu items to select functions. Sync data icon. This synchronizes orders and load sheet with the server when the device is connected to a network. This can occur through wireless Wi-Fi networks at customer locations or at the docking station. Route list icon. This is used to list route stops for current day's route. Select store location to perform daily functions. Beginning odometer icon. This is used for entering truck odometer reading at the beginning of the route. Ad hoc sales order icon. This is used for entering delivery for customers not on current day's route or to add unscheduled order to a current day's route stop. Load sheet icon is used for the reviewing, updating, and processing of current day's load sheet into truck inventory. Manage route icon is used for revision of route sequence. Transfer icon is used for the transferring of product in or out of truck inventory. Open Ord inquiry icon is used for opening future orders inquiry. Truck inventory icon is used for current truck inventory inquiry. End of day icon. This is the end of the day menu. This gives functions performed at the end of the route. Beginning of route tasks. The first step is to sync data. The handheld must be connected to a network to complete this task. This loads the current day's load sheets and orders. The next step is enter truck odometer readings at the beginning of the route. The load sheet function can be used to change quantities if physical count is performed. The transfer function can be used to record in or out transfers of product from other trucks or freezer. The route list function is used to select the store to perform delivery tasks. Menu tasks on route menu. The returns icon brings you to the entry form for providing customer credit for stale or damaged product. The carryover icon brings you to the entry form to record customer store stock. The delivery icon brings you to the entry form to record delivered product. Add future ordered icon brings you to the entry form to create future orders based on the current day's delivery and defaulted to +7 days. Print icon brings you to the print customer invoices for delivery, returns, buybacks, and sample orders. The signature icon brings you to the capture customer signature, which automatically opens add future orders form. The buybacks icon brings you to the entry form to record product purchased from customers. Sample order icon brings you to the entry form to record customer samples. Cash receipts icon brings you to the entry form to record payments from cash customers. Also displays open and unpaid amounts due. Future order inquiry icon is used for the inquiry of open future orders. History inquiry icon is used for the inquiry of completed orders. DEX icon initiates DEX communications with customer. Basic route delivery tasks. The first step is to enter carryover items if applicable. The second is enter returns to give credit for stale or damaged product if applicable. The third is to enter and complete delivery. The fourth is to enter buyback product if applicable. The fifth is obtains customer signature for applicable deliveries or returns. The sixth is to enter next week's future order. The form will default current delivery items and default to +7 days for order date. The seventh is print invoices for returns, deliveries, buybacks, and sample orders. And the eighth is enter payment information for cash customers. End of day menu. Return stale inventory icon takes you to the entry of stale product removed from truck inventory, not customer stale. Return damage inventory icon takes you to the entry of damaged product removed from truck inventory, not customer damaged. Count truck inventory icon takes you to the entry form for physical count of truck inventory. Reconcile receipts icon takes you to the entry form to reconcile cash receipts and enter cash related expenses or adjustments. Ending odometer icon takes you to the entry form for the end of route odometer reading. Reports icon takes you to the print end of day reports. Finish and transmit icon takes you to the transmit routes transaction. The handheld must be connected to the network for this to function. End of day tasks. The first step is to record stale product from removed truck inventory using the return stale inventory icon. The second step is record damaged product removed from the truck inventory using the return damaged inventory icon. The third step is to record the physical count of the truck inventory using the count truck inventory icon. The fourth step is to enter payment totals and compare to payments recorded to customer accounts using the reconcile receipts icon. The fifth step is enter the ending delivery truck odometer reading using the ending odometer icon. The sixth is print required end of day reports using the reports icon. And the seventh, after connected to the network, transmit the route sales and inventory transactions using the finish and transmit icon. These are some of the buttons you will see for navigation and search functions. When item search function is selected, this search form is displayed. Click keyboard icon to display the keyboard. Use the stylus to select the field and enter text. Click clear icon to clear search screen. Click execute icon to display search results. Click back arrow icon to return original form. If you click execute with an empty search screen, the full item list will be displayed. Depending on the form selected, the item list will be restricted to truck inventory items only, or the full item list. Following steps are used for printer configuration setup. Step 1, select mobile print setup and test. Step number 2, set printer to Intermec PW6878PB. Step number 3, set port to COM4. Step number 4, set margins left and right to 0.05 inch. Step number 5, set print density to extra dark. The following steps are used for printer configuration. Bluetooth setup. The handheld device connects to the portable printer using Bluetooth communications. The following steps are required on the handheld each time a new printer is paired with a handheld device. Setup screens for Bluetooth communications include step number 1. On the top bar of the handheld screen, tap the Bluetooth icon. Step number 2. Then select the drop-down bar, the Bluetooth icon. Step number 3. On the Bluetooth configuration screen, select Add New Device. Step number 4. Turn the printer on. The printer must be turned on for the handheld to detect it. Step number 5. Select the device that is listed and click Next on the bottom bar. Step number 6. Skip entering the passcode. Step number 7. Click Next on the bottom bar. Step number 8. The following message displays and you can press Done. Step number 9. Select the just added printer on the device's screen. Step number 10. Click the serial port box so an X appears and click Save. Step number 11. Select COM ports from the top bar. Step number 12. Click New Outgoing Port button. Step number 13. Select your printer and click Next. Step number 14. Select port COM4. Step 15. Do not check secure connection. Step number 16. Click Finish. The handheld will connect to the same printer until a different printer is selected. If you have any questions regarding the use of the handheld, contact your supervisor for assistance. The second part of this presentation will be a handheld operation demonstration. This indicates that the handheld is connected to the network. This is a demonstration of logging into the handheld system. This is an example of the sync data function. And this is the beginning odometer screen. And this will cause an error because I do not know the correct truck number. This is a demonstration of changing the sales date. And this is a demonstration of getting a route list. I'm going to show the routes, store locations, which you tap on, which brings you to the menu. This is an example of the delivery screen. This is an example of the signature line. You can have your customer sign right in the box. And this is printing invoices. Since I don't have an actual invoice to print, nothing appears. This is an example of future orders. You'll put in your product item number and then quantity in the box next to it. And press complete. Maybe. There we go. This is a cash receipt function. This is not a cash customer. That's what it will look like. And this is for the order history. Apparently there's no order history. This is what the carryover screen looks like. Again, enter the item number and then a quantity to the right. You'll also notice the search button in the middle. This is a quick look at the returns. Again, item number, quantity, and then hit complete. A quick look at buybacks, same setup. This is the manage route screen. In this screen, you can change the sequence of your route, entering the stop number. You can see where I've changed the sequence. I'll go change another sequence here. Changing the order and hit OK, or the option for delete. You can see where I've moved it. And here's a quick look at transfers. We'll be entering the product number, quantity, and then the account information, where it's being transferred from and where it is being transferred to. It's a quick look at the print report, how it looks on the screen. And here's a quick look at stale and damaged. Very similar setup where you will enter the product number and then the quantity. Same with the damaged. So a quick look at count truck. And then ending odometer. You enter your truck ID and odometer reading. Okay. I'm not going to do it. I'll cancel out. And then truck inventory. View print. And then lastly, the finish and transmit. Once you hit the finish and transmit icon, it goes into the data transmission very quickly, as you can see. And yes, this does take a little bit of time as well. And that completes it. And then I exit out to File, and exit. And that completes the demonstration. Again, if you have any questions regarding the use of the handheld, contact your supervisor. This concludes the presentation.